Does it zoom?
No.
It's already going. Go.
Wait, you know you have to do it looking at us, like you.
What?
Oh, wait. Let me see. I can't see. Was it looking at you? Let me see it. So you gotta face it this way so it sees us.
All right.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Don't touch anything. Okay. So hi. We're here during Hurricane Isaac in the middle of the hurricane. Being stupid. John, say hi. Okay, come on. It's 2012. August 20.
Oh my god!
August 29th.
Slippery! Oh my god! Oh, take it!
Go, Red, go. One. Yeah, okay, so. What are you doing? One. So anyway, how old are you? It's 2012, he's 11 and choking. I'm 16 and not choking. Stop that.
You okay, Sean? All right.
Fine. So yeah, there's a lot of damage. Like the thing that's on our roof, look. Look. Yeah, that fell off in the middle of the night. Yep.
And then go down point where the tree is.
All the way that way. There's a tree that fell down.
With power lines.
Touched it, died.
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Okay, guys. The end. All right.
Okay, well,
Okay, bye.
bye.
This button, Carson. Red again.
Wait, it's just a red button. Press it again. Bye.